It's me, Tracy. Well, actually, I'm Yasmin right now, Bratz doll. I don't know if you guys know the Bratz, but this month's Boxycharm was the alter ego theme, and I wanted to transform into like a doll from my childhood, and you know, that's just like the inner child of me, so that's why I wanted to do this look, especially because it's Halloween right now, and you definitely can transform into a Bratz doll if you want. I had a whole freaking collection when I was younger. I literally had every brat, every car, every little like accessory. I was obsessed with the Bratz. So that's why I created this look, and I know it's definitely a really different Boxycharm video than you guys are used to seeing here on my channel, but I hope you guys enjoy this type of video, as I am trying to continue to do Halloween looks all through the month of October. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I do invite you to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications. That's a little bell that's right next to the subscribe button. So I have October's Boxycharm box right here. Once again, they did not send me a pamphlet, and that happened like 2 months ago, I think. So it sucks because I have to like look up pricing and all the information with every single product in here. Just like you guys are used to seeing here on my channel, I'm going to go ahead and put the timestamp here so you guys know in what order I'm going to go. It's not going to change up whatsoever. So first I'm going to tell you guys what's in the box, what the products are used for, and the pricing. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick try on. It's not going to be like a talk through try on. So you guys are just going to see me transform into this using the Boxycharm products. I'm going to only be showcasing the Boxycharm products in this little mini tutorial, and then after the mini tutorial, then I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys about how the products perform. So if you're interested in seeing me transform into the Bratz doll, then just keep watching.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
The first product that I received here is this Dermavia Lace and Peel Mask. And this is a black bamboo charcoal peel-off mask. I'm going to read you guys what it says on the back. It says, Lace Appeal Bamboo Charcoal uses a naturally blended peel paste formulated with bamboo charcoal, aloe vera, and chamomile in conjunction with a compression lace mask to support the peel process and instantly turn dual complexion into a radiant skin. So inside of here is a little paste. The paste here is black in color, and I can't wait to talk to you guys about this. So the mask looks like this. It looks like a freaking bra. Okay, so here's the little eye section, the nose section, the mouth section, and then these parts here go on your ears, and this goes to your chin and around to your ears. You guys will see how it gets applied in the tutorial. So a 2-pack of this retails for $30. Alright, and then moving on to the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. The palette looks like this here. It has 6 eyeshadows. Basically, there's only one matte and then the rest are shimmers. And then you got your face palette, which is like a bunch of blushes and highlighter up here. Okay, so this palette retails for $38. So on the website it says Midnight Masquerade is a highly pigmented, limited edition 10-piece face palette with everything you need to transform your look to reveal your true beauty. So the next product that we received in the box is a Superhero It Cosmetics mascara, and it looks like this. Let me show you the wand. The Superhero Mascara retails for $24, and it claims that the benefits are exclusive elastic stretch technology for volume and length, lash changing power brush for maximum reach, lift, separation, and curl, super buildable formula for custom lash power results, super black pigment plus collagen, biotin, and peptides to condition as you coat. And it's game-changing, patent-pending design. Okay, so then I got this Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Lolita. I already have one, so I'm going to keep this in its packaging, and I'm going to just put it away for a future giveaway. So be sure you stick around because I'll be having a giveaway pretty soon. And this liquid lipstick is the one that I'm wearing on my lips here, not around, because I had to wear a darker shade for it to look like actual lips, because I definitely overlined. So the Kat Von D liquid lipstick is $20. Its creamy, color-rich formula glides over lips as effortlessly as a gloss, but dries to a true matte finish that feels weightless all day long. It's infused with natural comfort-enhancing ingredients, including vitamin E and sunflower seed so you can flaunt lasting matte color. The next item is this Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. The brand's called Pharmacy, and this is the Best of Beauty with Allure magazine. This retails for $34. Okay, so the total value of this box is $146, and you get it for $21.99 just by signing up with Boxycharm. If you are new to Boxycharm, every single month you get 5 to 6 full-size products, and it comes in this little box here. I haven't received a box that the value is under $100. You get such a good deal when you do sign up. I do have a link down below in case you are interested in receiving these products for this month. You can also see previous videos. My last one, I'm going to go ahead and link it up here so you can see what I received last month. If you are a beauty influencer, it's definitely something that you have to have if you don't already, because it helps you build a makeup collection. Because I know definitely in each individual freaking makeup product in this box is pretty pricey when you do the math. Like I said, it's a total value of $146 and you're getting it for $21.99. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into this Halloween makeup tutorial using all of the Boxycharm products, and let's get started. First item that I'm going to talk about is the Superhero It Cosmetics Mascara. So I am a fan of the wand only because it does get down to my bottom eyelashes really well. As far as the formula, it doesn't really build up that much as I would like it to. But it's definitely an everyday wear type of mascara if you're not into like really extreme lashes. The next item in the box is this Kat Von D liquid lipstick. Ay, wey. Oh yeah, casi me pegaba. And I really like this liquid lipstick. That's why I purchased it myself with my own money. I feel like you can definitely wear it out whenever you go out at night, or it can be a really pretty daytime lip color. So this palette here is really pretty. I really like all of the shimmers here. I just don't know about the color concept. You really cannot do a complete look using all of these shimmer eyeshadows. You definitely needed more mattes. So what I'm thinking is I can use this as a transition color since we don't have any other matte aside from this one here. The blushes are really pretty, and the highlighter, I mean, I think it looks really good. It's like a really pretty golden color. Can I see myself reaching for this on a daily basis? Maybe for the face palette, because I do really like the highlighter and this rosy blush right here. I can't really talk too much about the formula of the eyeshadows aside from the shimmer, because I can't tell you guys whether it blended really nicely, because they're shimmers. I can't see myself blending shimmers, but you can see how pretty these shimmers are. They really did blend really well into each other as far as just like packing on the eyeshadow. And holy shit, let me talk to you guys about this freaking face mask. Do not apply it with your fingers because it gets so freaking sticky. I was literally just trying to apply it with my fingers and that didn't work out. So I used like a flat brush, and this is like a concealer brush. So that's what I used. I didn't want to continue using my fingers, so I used that brush and I applied it. Removing it was probably the hardest part because it hurt so freaking bad. I think it removed all of my facial hair, like all of my fuzz around here. I feel like it's gone now with that. I don't know if it was just me. Did I do it wrong? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought about that face mask, because I was basically crying. Okay, so now let's talk about this makeup remover. I still have not tried it, so let's go ahead and try it now. Sorry guys if you guys can hear some heavy breathing. My boyfriend decided to come into the bedroom as I'm filming. This really smells good. And it's really slippery. Oh shit. I literally put just like 2 little finger dips in there. I really think that this is gonna last me a good while, so for $34 I think that's a good deal. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this month's box. I can't wait to play with the rest of the eyeshadows. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this Halloween makeup tutorial. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Bye.
Eres un estúpido.